backup and restore speed improvements by using multithreading transmission. When performing a backup or restore job, Vinchin Backup and Recovery server will create multiple threads for data transmission of a single job. Even when processing a single virtual machine disk, multithreading transmission will still be applied. As the other virtual machine backup products in the market now, only one thread will be used to process one virtual disk at the same time. So Vinchin Backup and Recovery can greatly improve the overall processing speed than other products in the market now. Here's the customer feedback of screenshots from our customers with version 6. Sorry, it's in Chinese as this is a project in China. It's a government project. They are using OpenStack virtual infrastructure, and this screenshot is taken while they were performing backup jobs. As you can see, the total speed exceeded 1.5 gigabit per second. And the peak speed of a single job exceeded 1 gigabyte per second. So multithreading can dramatically improve the backup and the restore speed. And one more thing, multithreading is also temporarily not supported with Microsoft Hyper-V. Okay, next new feature, speed controller. As we have just mentioned about multithreading backup and restore transmission, at this moment, you may worry about this could slow down your production environment, as the high-speed transmission requires plenty of bandwidth and I/O resources. And as a result, it might slow down your business critical operations. But by using speed controller, you can fully utilize your network bandwidth and I/O resources, yet not to impact on your production environment, as the strategies can be configured to schedule when to limit and when to not. For example, during the daytime, your production environment will support heavy business operations. But during the night, the business operation node will descend, so you can set low speed limitations at night. At this moment, backup and restore jobs can be performed smoothly without any limitations. Of course, you can also permanently limit the transmission speed if your production environment provides 7 times 24 hours of critical services.